Good morning, student. This is Latif sir. Today I am going to discuss about valency. What is valency? Valency is the combining capacity of an atom of an element. It is the number of electrons an atom can accept, donate, or share while forming a molecule. Thus, valency is always a whole number. So, valency is the combining capacity of an atom or of an atom of an element. Valency can also be defined as the valency of an element and valency of elements and polyatomic ions with respect to the number of hydrogen atoms combining with one atom of the element or the radical. Generally, valency means combining capacity of an atom of an element, and it is the number of electrons an atom can accept, donate, or share while forming a molecule. And valency is you can also define as valency of an element or valency of a polyatomic ion with respect to number of hydrogen atoms combining with one atom of the element or the radical. For example, you can see in the table 4.3, in water, oxygen is attached with two hydrogen atoms. So, valency of oxygen in water is 2. Similarly, in ammonia, nitrogen is attached or nitrogen atom is combined with three hydrogen atom. So, valency of nitrogen is 3. Similarly, in H2SO4, the sulfate radical SO4 2 minus radical, that is sulfate radical, is attached with two hydrogen atoms. Therefore, the valency of sulfate radical in H2SO4 is 2. We can also find out the valency of an element if we know the electronic configuration of that element. For example, metals, the valency is usually given by the number of electrons in the outermost shell in the valence shell. Generally, elements having valence electron 1 to 4 or elements having electron in the outermost shell, if the number of electrons in the outermost shell of an element is 1 to 4, then the valency of that element is same as the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. But if the number of electrons in the outermost shell is greater than 4, then the valency of that element is 8 minus the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Generally, metals have electrons in the valence shell 1 to 4. Therefore, valency of metals is same as the number of electrons in the outermost shell. But for non-metals generally have electrons in the outermost shell greater than 4. Thus, for non-metals, the valency is given by the formula 8 minus number of electrons in the outermost shell. Sodium atom has 1 electron in the outermost shell. So, valency of sodium is 1. While oxygen has 6 electron in the valence shell. So, valency of oxygen is 8 minus 6, that is 2. Now in this table, valency of some elements are given. First, name of elements are given and their atomic number, atomic mass, electronic configuration and valency. So first hydrogen, atomic number is 1 and mass number is also 1. So number of protons in hydrogen atom is 1. And electronic configuration, number of electrons is also 1 and number of neutrons in hydrogen is 0. So electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1, which is in K cell. So valency of hydrogen is 1. Now valency of helium, valency second element is helium, atomic number 2 and mass number is 4. So number of protons in helium is 2 and number of electrons in helium is also 2. So number of neutrons in helium is 4 minus 2, that is 2. So electronic configuration of helium is 2 electron in the K cell, that is first cell. But the valency of helium is 0 because this helium is a noble gas or inert gas and the valency of inert gases are always 0. Okay, although helium contains 2 electron in the valence shell or outermost shell, but its valency is 0 because it is noble gas. Now for lithium, atomic number is 3, so number of electron is also 3 and electronic configuration is 2 electron in the first cell and 1 electron in the second cell, that is electronic configuration is 2, 1. So lithium has valency 1 because valence shell or outermost shell of lithium contains 1 electron. Similarly for beryllium, atomic number is 4, so and number of electrons in beryllium is also 4 and electronic configuration is 2, 2 in the first cell, 2 electron in the second cell, 2 electron. So valency of beryllium is also 2. Similarly valency of boron, atomic number is 5, so number of electron is also 5. So electronic configuration is 2, 3. In first cell 2 electron and in second cell 3 electron. So valency of boron is 3. For carbon, atomic number 6, number of electrons is also 6. So electronic configuration is 2, 4. That is 2 electron in the first cell and 4 electron in the second cell. So valency of carbon is 4. I have told that if an element having number of electrons in the outermost shell is 1 to 4, then the valency is same as the number of electron present in the outermost shell. But when the number of electrons in the outermost shell is greater than 4, then the valency is 8 minus number of electrons in the valence shell. Thus for nitrogen, you can see nitrogen atomic number is 7, so number of proton is 7 and number of electron is also 7. So electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2, 5. In the first cell 2 electron, in the second cell 5 electrons. So valency of nitrogen is 8 minus 5, that is 3, because nitrogen has 5 electron, more than 4 electron in the valence shell or outermost shell. As nitrogen contains 5 electron in the valence shell, so valency of nitrogen is 8 minus 5, that is 3. Similarly for oxygen, atomic number is 8, so electron is also 8, number of electrons, and electronic configuration of oxygen is 2, 6. In the first cell 2 electron, in the second cell 6 electron. So valency of oxygen is 8 minus 6, that is 2. For fluorine, atomic number 9, number of electron is also 9, electronic configuration is 2, 7. So valency of fluorine is 8 minus 7, that is 1. Again, for another noble gas or inert gas, which is neon, atomic number is 10 and number of electron is also 10. So electronic configuration is 2, 8. As it is noble gas, its valence is 0. Okay. Or you can also say that as neon contains 8 electron in the valence shell, so 8 minus 8, that is 0. So valency of neon is also 0. And valency of sodium atomic number is 11. So number of electrons in sodium atom is also 11. So atomic number electronic configuration of sodium is 281. As outermost shell contains 1 electron, so valency of sodium is 1. Okay. And similarly, all these elements for the rest of the elements given here, valency is determined by the same rule. That is, if the number of electrons is up to 4 in the valence shell or outermost shell, then the valency is similar to the number of electron present in the valence shell or outermost shell. But if the electron is greater than 4 in the valence shell, then the valence is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost, then the valency is equal to 8 minus number of electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, just see the table and write the valencies of this element in your copy. Okay, thank you.